Alright, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time. Yes, so for this video, you click on YouTube. Well, can you hit the subscription button to give you more weekly updates as you do so. Yes, today discussion is making money online. Yes, making money online. If you think that for people to do, you know why the secret of them and to make money online. But you know in fact they will not tell you the secret to most of them say that you are saying they are into investor. They use their money to invest something online, but do not tell you the secret. Yes. Also, let us just focus on today's discussion on YouTube making money online. Yes. Before I forget, just watch this video to the end. I promise you something, you'll gain a lot. Alright. YouTube is number one platform that people use to make a read of money online, whether you believe it or not. Yes, most of the creators that we are seeing today, where they are popular. Let me just use Mr. Beast an example. Everybody know Mr. Beast. Yes, Mr. Beast is number one popular subscriber on YouTube. Yes, that man is making money on YouTube. Yes, making money on YouTube. People are watching video of Mr. Beast every day, all over the world. And also, let us use that person example. Nigeria person is Brother Salute. Yes, Brother means I'm making money on any those social media, Facebook, YouTube, etc. But not only that, most of them they are into investors. They use their money to invest of something, but they will not tell you. That's just the fact. Alright, yes, YouTuber people are making money on YouTube. Yes, but the fact that it's not easy for you to make money on YouTube. People say that it's easy. Some people say that it's not easy. But as for me, it's not easy. I will get about it. I was researching something. How come people are making money on YouTube? People but are being a YouTuber from years back, 3 years or 4 years, but are not making money as they struggle at the end of the day. No improvement. How come people are making money on YouTube? I was researching. I got to one particular person that said that he make money just one video. I don't forget one video just gave me for me. I will tell you, I saw. How come about that one particular video just give you 1.4 million? I will tell you, no, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Not knowing that but the secret. It's a love story. It's a love story. But I don't know how to start to tell you how come that you hit for millions or 10 million on YouTube. Why? So somebody like me, I still struggle today, managing today, but I just did no improvement. Alright, I think I'm making money on YouTube. Yes, every day. Every day people say, I want to become a content creator, I want to become Mr. B, I want to become but around they are making a money on YouTube. Yeah, making money would also be like 10, also be like 10. But of course, is that my brother, my sister, wherever we are watching this from, it's not easy. It's a long story. Let's just say a long story. It's not easy for you to be like 10. You know, oh, I'm so shy. For me to just show on YouTube for just be looking at me, say my English, to be mocking. No, yes, don't allow people. You allow people to mock you. You can speak Yoruba. Go on. Yes, don't be shy. Go on and speak around with people. There are people right there that are watching. They will like it. They will like it. I need to speak PG. No, go on. Yes, there are people that will like your PG. They will like to subscribe to your channel. Yes, which one that do so funny. Yes, they will like to subscribe to your channel. Right, because of the way that you say out to them, the way that you communicate to them, they impress, they love it. That's also. And there was the one particular, I forgot the name of the person that makes money on YouTube now. It's like funny bros, everybody know him very well. Funny bros, one of them. Yes, go out to get him. Yes, funny bros, you can make money. It's a boss that you don't know how to speak English. Let me just say, I don't know that. Or just say, oh, you got it. Check the time and ask those people that make money. So if you just go to the street, yes, how to be a content creator. Don't be shy. Yes, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Before we continue again, this is first time that I say this my channel. Please kindly read in the description box to give you more weekly all this. I happen to see you by watching me wherever where you are, all over the world. I greet you. Alright, right back our discussion. Yes, we draw. It's one of them. Let us give another person to make an example. Is what this person that used to do funny things. I forgot. I also forgot the name of the person. Oh, my brain now. But I Shaggy. Yes. It's one of them. Yes, Shaggy is one of them. So people, always forget I'm not too bad. I'm not too bad. This person to see my brother, my sister, we are watching me. Every continent of the world. So to be a content creator, don't be so shy. People are making money over there. Yes, they are making it. Yes, they are not shy. Why? Because it's the thing that they don't know is that God has prepared of them. They don't need to shine on you. Yes, people are making money. Yes, they are making money will be shy. No, don't be shy. It's the content of what you have. Yes, people are most people that are going to go that education. Yes, they are making to check their lifestyle, they have car, have huge mansion. But are those people that used to go to school for high degree, master's degree? Most of them don't have car. Most of them don't have car. They are working on the same. Yes. Alright. And next time, we can continue for web show. Before we forgot, kindly use this location for to comment, share, and like. As you do so, God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.